So I give you the latest update of the construction. Now they are starting installing the scaffolding. We are using wood scaffolding because it's not easy to find metal scaffolding here, and it's expensive. So my husband spent a lot of money to buy this coconut wood. So I will show you around, and then I will go upstairs, and I will show the preparation of the beam and the view in this incoming rest house. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Villa Julam Camotes, Cebu. So here it is. This is the latest update of the construction. So here, scaffolding is not yet done. They need to add extra wood in the middle when they are installing the slab. Oh. So this is the way how to climb upstairs because they are not putting the ladder. Okay na yan. So this is the view upstairs. This is the beam. Need to walk slowly because still not yet done, and I am climbing here to show you the work of the kuya. So I want to say thank you for them. Without them, the construction is not ongoing. So here, weather is sunny today, so this is the view, but you cannot see the seaside. So I am on the top of the construction. Need to walk carefully because some wood is not stable. So here, in this area, they already prepared the siding of the beam, so I need to be careful. And the other side, the kuya is repairing the rebar. So we are using number 16. This is number 16, number 12, and number 16. So all together is the 8. So look at the view. Look at the first villa. So from the second villa, we can see the first villa there. So this is the beautiful view of our second villa. We are surrounded of the beautiful surrounding, the green tree, seaside, and you can hear the chirping of the bird. So our area is fresh. So this is the surrounding. But in this side, this is the empty place that no tree. That's why we put our construction here. so we are not disturbing the tree and the surrounding. So this is it. This is ready for pouring. They already prepare all the rebars for the slab. All the beams are already done. So this is it. This is the update of the construction Vela 2. So here we go, and then I will show you the beautiful view here. This is the beautiful view that you can see our Villa Julam, Camotes, Cebu, and you can book our Villa 1. Villa 1 is open for booking. So here it is, and look at this beautiful surrounding. It's a green tree. This is the surrounding. This is the view that you can see in our villa. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Villa Julam, Camotes, Cebu, and this beautiful island of Camotes. So here we go. This is my life in the island. Building, doing construction together with the builders, and me myself here in the top of the construction. So here we go, here we go. Included my shadow. Look at my shadow. Whether it's sunny and sometimes it's raining, cannot predict the weather of the island. The shadow. are almost done of pouring in this second floor. So this is it. We are almost done. So this is it, done of pouring in the slab and the beam all together. This is the preparation of the incoming stairs. So sunny today. So once again, please subscribe my YouTube channel Bilya Julam. Camotes, Cebu, like, share, hit the notification below. Bye bye. Please book our villa soon.